it comes to space saving. In this case, we had this particular bathroom was a little bit funny. Whoever decided the shape of this bathroom it was pretty funny. I mean, we had a little angle right here. There was a door that was opening this way, and then this other door. I mean, you couldn't have both of them open because it was just like, I mean, you know, crash or whatever. And then this bathroom was way smaller. So what we did, we went ahead and gained a little space by reframing this whole space here. We have a ductwork here, and that's the reason why you see this behind it. Homeowner decided not to move it, so we decided just to box it out and then work with what we had. We could have done it, but it was a little change order, so we decided not to do it at the time, and we just came up with something that looks like some support. And then in this case, this is just way more spacious than what we had. I mean, this is a 2 feet deep cabinet. Again, self-close, which you can use for linen stuff, bed sheets, towels. I mean, you name it. Whatever it is that you want to put in there, you can actually fit. It's a 2 feet by, I believe it's 4 feet. So that's pretty spacious. So if you're looking to have a little bit more of a storage space, something that you want to accommodate in your house, give us a call. I'm more than happy we can come up with an idea that will work with your budget and what you have in mind.